This is how an icon is made at industrial scale. The story of America's favorite cheese slice begins not in a factory, but here, on the vast dairy farms that supply a nation. Fresh milk travels under strict temperature control to the mega plant, where its transformation begins. Before processing, every batch is tested in an on-site lab. Only milk meeting the highest standards proceeds. The milk is first separated. The cream will give the cheese its rich texture, while skim milk is used elsewhere. Parsons. The milk is standardized to exact fat percentages, then pasteurized for safety. The first
Starter cultures are added to develop flavor, and rennet turns the liquid milk into a solid curd.
The giant curd is cut into small pieces, releasing whey and beginning the process of concentrating the solids. The curds are cooked and stirred, expelling more whey and reaching the perfect texture for the next stage. The whey is drained away to be processed into other products like protein powder. What's left is the fresh cheese curd. This is where the magic of processed cheese happens. Emulsifiers are added to ensure the cheese melts smoothly without separating. Under heat and intense mechanical blending, the ingredients fuse into a perfectly homogeneous, molten cheese mixture. The liquid cheese is poured onto a belt, forming a continuous, flawless sheet that will become thousands of slices. As it travels, the cheese is carefully cooled to set it to the exact firmness required for perfect slicing. Laser scanners and cameras inspect every inch of the sheet for imperfections. Consistency is non-negotiable. At incredible speed, blades cut the sheet into the iconic individual slices America knows and loves. Robotic arms count and stack the slices with flawless accuracy, preparing them for wrapping. Each slice is individually wrapped in film, which protects it and locks in freshness until it reaches your fridge.
The slices are sleeved and boxed, ready for shipping to grocery stores across the country.
Automated systems build pallets that hold thousands of packages, ready for distribution. It's the final product, a masterpiece of food engineering. Consistent, convenient, and designed to melt perfectly every time. Its true purpose, to deliver that creamy, seamless melt that defines the classic American burger and grilled cheese. From diners to dinner tables, this slice has become an irreplaceable part of American food culture. Day and night, this fusion of dairy farming tradition and industrial innovation works to stock a nation's kitchens.